Today we're going to put together a flip book as a study tool for your test that you have tomorrow. This is a multiplying fractions flip book. Alright, so these papers are stacked on the rectangle station. Make sure that when you pick up your flip book you need 3 pages. Page 1, a page that has multiplying 2 fractions and multiplying mixed numbers, and the last page that says the test is on Tuesday. So that's your first step, to make sure you have all 3 pages. Okay. Next you are going to cut along the dotted lines so that we end up with 12 squares. There's 4 boxes on each page, so cut along the dotted lines so you have 4 squares. Alright, so I've cut out all of my squares. If you have not cut them out yet, go ahead and pause the video, and then you can play once you've finished cutting. The next thing you need to do is make sure that your cards are in order. So the front page is the We Flip for Math. Then we have page, and it's numbered down here at the bottom, page 1, multiply a fraction in a whole number. Number 2 is step 2. Number 3, page 4 says multiplying 2 fractions. Page 5 says step 2. Page 6 says multiply mixed numbers. Page 7 is step 2 for that. Page 8 is step 3. Page 9 is step 4. And page 10 is step 5. And the last page would be the one that says that the test is on Tuesday. So now that we have all of these together, they are stacked in the correct order. You're going to stack them together and make them into a neat pile. I stack them like this on the table. And you want to do it upside down so that all the top edges are lined up. Okay, now that we've done that, we are going to staple our flip book together. So we are going to put a staple at the top, right here, and right here. Everyone only gets 2 staples, and I suggest that you use the table to help you, okay? So leave the stapler on the table, set it up where you want it, and then lean on the stapler so that it goes through all 12 pages. And then one more time. Alright, so now our flip book is together, and there's one more thing I want you to add. I want you to flip to the back, and we're going to write in a note. You're going to write in dividing fractions and put our steps. Step 1 is to keep the first fraction. Step 2 is to change division to multiplication. And step 3 is to change the second fraction to its reciprocal. Just flip it. Reciprocal is just the flipped fraction, okay? Then step 4 is to multiply. So if we had 1/2 divided by 2/3, this would become 1/2, keep the first fraction, change it to multiplication, and flip the second, 3/2, and this equals 3/4. So make sure, if you need to, pause the video here and add these notes onto the back of your flip book. And then study this tonight because you have a test tomorrow.